Ever wonder how to bake an angel food cake so light it practically floats? This isn't just any cake, it's a cloud of pure delight. Get ready to master the art of this ethereal dessert. Angel food cake stands apart, relying almost entirely on egg whites for its incredible lift. This unique structure creates an ethereal lightness you won't find in other baked goods. It's a true marvel of baking science. Its simplicity is deceptive. Working with egg whites demands precision and patience. Rush a step, and you risk a dense cake that collapses. Angel food cake rewards your attention and care. It's not forgiving of moisture or overmixing, yet it's incredibly rewarding when you follow the right tips. Master these, and you'll have a reliable canvas for fresh fruit or simple glazes. Naturally lower in fat, it feels like a lighter treat. Treating egg whites with care and understanding heat are key. Your careful steps will pay off in a tender, lofty slice that melts in your mouth. Not all flours are created equal for angel food cake. You need a flour with the right protein content. Cake flour is your best bet, as its lower protein means less gluten development, keeping the texture soft. If you don't have cake flour, make your own. Measure 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Remove 2 tablespoons and replace with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Sift this mixture at least 5 times to fully combine and aerate it. Sifting matters immensely. It prevents clumps that weigh down egg whites. Skipping this step leads to dense spots in your cake. Take the time to sift properly for a light, airy base. Egg whites are the heart of angel food cake, so choose large, fresh eggs for the best volume. Older eggs lose their ability to trap air. Always use fresh for optimal results. Never let a single drop of yolk mix in. Fat from yolks prevents proteins from forming the stable network needed for volume. If a yolk breaks, start over with a fresh egg. Ensure your bowls and utensils are squeaky clean and totally grease-free. Even a hint of oil interferes with whipping. Wash with hot soapy water, rinse, and wipe with white vinegar, then dry with a lint-free towel. Let eggs rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before whipping. They'll whip up more quickly and to greater volume. Separate whites and yolks over a small bowl first, then transfer whites to your mixing bowl. Working at the right temperature is crucial for angel food cake. Room temperature egg whites whip faster and reach higher peaks. Cold whites take longer and risk over-whipping. Aim for a moderate room temperature, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. If your kitchen is too warm, the foam can become unstable. If it's chilly, let eggs warm up naturally. It's also helpful to let all ingredients, including flour and sugar, come to room temperature. This avoids sudden temperature shifts when folding them into the whites. A stable environment helps the foam expand evenly. Knowing when you've hit the right stiffness is crucial. Under-whipped whites won't support the cake's structure, leading to a flat mess. Over-whipped whites turn grainy and dry, unable to flow properly. Start whipping on medium speed until frothy. Gradually increase to medium-high. Once you see soft peaks, slowly add sugar. This gradual addition helps stabilize the foam. Keep whipping until peaks stand straight but still have a glossy sheen. These are firm peaks, holding shape while folding smoothly. If peaks look dry or clumpy, you've gone too far. Start over with fresh whites. Angel food cake's charm is its simplicity. Heavy extracts or too much sugar can weigh it down. Opt for gentle flavor accents that enhance without sacrificing lightness. Vanilla extract is classic. Use pure vanilla. A touch of almond extract adds subtle nuttiness. Use extracts sparingly, typically 1 teaspoon for 12 egg whites. Citrus zest, like lemon or orange, adds fragrance without bitterness. Fold zest in at the very end of mixing to avoid deflating the foam. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom or cinnamon can be added with the flour. Once egg whites are whipped to firm peaks, incorporate dry ingredients without deflating the foam. This means gentle folding, not stirring or beating. A silicone spatula is your best friend here. Add the sifted dry ingredients in 3 batches. Sprinkle the first third over the whites. Use a sweeping motion. Slide the spatula down one side, scoop under, and lift through the center. Rotate the bowl and repeat. After a few folds, you'll see marbled streaks begin to blend. That's your cue to add the next third. Avoid rushing or overfolding, as this bursts delicate air bubbles. Angel food cake bakes in a special uncoated tube pan with a removable bottom. The rough surface gives the batter something to cling to as it rises. Non-stick pans make it harder for the cake to climb. Never grease or flour your pan. Wipe it clean to remove any dust. Some bakers use parchment triangles on the outer rim for extra insurance, but it's optional. Immediately after baking, invert the pan to cool. This prevents collapse and ensures a tall, springy cake. If your pan lacks feet, use a bottle or thread wooden spoons through the center tube. Precise oven temperature is critical. Too hot and you'll brown the edges before the interior sets. Too cool and your cake can collapse. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and double check with an oven thermometer. Do not open the oven door during the first 20 minutes of baking. A sudden blast of cold air can shock the foam, causing it to deflate. Angel food cake generally needs 30 to 35 minutes. Look for a pale golden color and a cake that springs back lightly when touched. A toothpick inserted into the side should come out clean. Residual heat continues to cook, so don't pull it out too soon. Right after baking, flick the pan upside down onto a bottle or a wired rack with feet. If you let it cool upright, gravity will pull the foam down, collapsing your tall dome. Let it hang for at least an hour. This allows it to firm up while held in its peak shape. Once cooled, run a thin knife or offset spatula around the edges and center tube to gently release the cake. Work slowly and carefully to avoid tearing the crumb. If your pan has a removable bottom, slide the knife between the bottom plate and the cake, then lift it away. With these methods, choosing the right flour, treating egg whites with care, maintaining proper temperatures, and handling the batter gently, you'll turn Angel food cake from a finicky challenge into a dependable delight. Each step honors the simple, airy nature of this classic dessert, rewarding patience with slices so light they almost float off your plate. Ready to bake your own cloud of deliciousness? Hit that like button, subscribe for more baking tips, and share your Angel food cake triumphs in the comments below. We can't wait to see your angelic creations.